Hi everyone, welcome to the first devlog of Frag Manager. It's a game where you manage a tactical FPS team, play tournaments, climb the global ranking and get better invites for your team. Today I'm gonna show you my progress so far. Let's check it out. So the first thing I worked was a basic UI. It showed the players' names, their money and their KDA along with the match score. I also added a button to play each round. It was just for testing, but it let me see how everything worked. Next I added a tiny alt bar to the UI and showed the weapons each player bought. It just made it easier to see what was going on. Then I had the idea to add some caster text to the UI. It shows what's happening in the game, like live commentary, so you can follow the rounds. Then I improved the player UI to make the health bar easier to see. They now stretch across the whole UI, and also made the caster messages easier to read. After that I added some placeholder images for the weapons and made the first version of the kill feed, which shows up in the top right corner. I also tested the new colors for the team sides, and on top of that I started using the killer's color in the kill feed, so it's clearer who got the kill. Then I revamped the player UI to make all the information easier to understand. Now it's much clearer which players are alive and which are dead. When a player dies, their UI actually shrinks, and it just makes following the match a lot simpler and easier. Next I added a round info panel for each team. It shows their round bonus, how much money they spent, and whether they went for an eco, semi-buy or full buy. This gives the player more information about what's happening in each round. Then I started testing how the tournament brackets would be generated, just a first step to get that system working. After that I created a tab menu where the player picks the team they want to play with. After picking a team, the player goes to the home view where you can see the current day, the active tournaments that are happening at the moment, the upcoming tournaments that haven't started yet, and there's a button to move forward on the calendar. I also added the world ranking so players can see where their team and other teams stand. The ranking updates after each match and it decides which teams go to the tournaments. I also added the option for teams to accept or decline tournaments. For the player's team, a pop-up shows information about the tournament and lets them choose to accept or decline. Then I connected the home view to the game view, meaning that on match days the button that normally moves the calendar forward now makes the player straight into the game. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this devlog, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. If you have any feedback or suggestions, leave them in the comments. I'll read everything. Thanks for watching and see you next time.